Good morning, children. Welcome to social class, Standard 9th, Geography, Unit 4, Hydrosphere. Name of the topic, Movement of the Ocean Water. The ocean water is dynamic. Temperature, salinity, density, external forces of the sun, moon, and the winds keep the ocean waters in movement, both horizontally and vertically. Waves and currents are in horizontal motion, while tides are vertical motion. Waves. Of all the movements of the oceans, sea waves are considered to be the strongest. Sea waves are ripples on water caused when winds blow over the sea. The highest of these waves depends on the speed of wind, its duration, and the direction from which they blow. Sometimes waves are also caused by tremors felt on the ocean floor. Such waves are quite distinctive and called tsunami. Do you know the energy of the falling wave water is used to turn hydro turbines to generate power. Wave energy power plants have been installed at Vizhinjam in Kerala coast and Andaman Nicobar Islands of India. Next, tides. The periodic rise and fall of sea water due to the gravitational pull of the sun and moon on the earth are called tides. They are classified broadly into spring tides and neap tides. When the sun, moon, and earth are aligned in the same line, the collective gravitation pull of the sun and moon on Earth's water strengthens to form a high tide known as spring tide. Such tides always occur on full moon and new moon days. When the sun and the moon are at right each other, causing a low tide or low tide called neap tide. A neap tide occurs between two spring tides, that is twice a month, when the first and last quarter moon appears. Next, do you know potential tide energy zones of India or the Gulf of Cambodge, Gulf of Kutch and Sundarbans. Maritime borders. Maritime boundary of most the countries is fixed to be 12 nautical miles from the baseline. This was fixed by the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea 2013, whereas Jordan and Palua have the 3 nautical miles as their maritime boundary, and based in Republic of Congo, the El Salvador, Peru and Somalia have 200 nautical miles. Ocean currents. Ocean currents. The movement of oceanic water on the surface and at the depths in a definite direction is called ocean current. Ocean currents are in clockwise motion in the northern hemisphere and in the anti-clockwise motion in the southern hemisphere. The factors that generate ocean currents are earth rotation, prevailing winds, and difference in temperature, and salinity of ocean water. On the basis of temperature, ocean currents are classified as warm currents and cold currents. The movement of ocean currents from the low latitudes, tropical zones, towards high latitudes, temperate and polar zones is called warm current. Example, Gulf Stream in Atlantic Ocean, not equatorial current in Pacific Ocean. Do you know NIO, National Institute of Oceanography, was established in 1st January 1966. The headquarters of NIO is located at Dona Paula, Goa. It, it conducts research and observations to understand oceanic features, ocean engineering, marine archaeology, etc. Thank you.